If a woman lets you touch this one specific spot, she's already yours. Now, before you roll your eyes and think this is just some hype clickbait, hear me out. This is going to flip the script on how you read female signals. There's a specific part of a woman's body that works like a literal emotional radar. When she lets you touch it, she's not just giving you physical access, she's silently surrendering to you psychologically. I'm Sally, and as both a woman and an attraction expert, I'm going to show you exactly what goes on in our heads when we let a guy get that close. And listen, we're not talking about cheesy pickup lines or manipulative games here. This is the raw, unfiltered truth about what we women actually feel, but almost never say out loud. Here's the cold, hard truth. The female body is divided into trust zones like a hierarchy. Think of them as emotional gates. Every time a woman opens one of those gates for you, she's making a subconscious choice about who you are to her. She's deciding if you're safe, respectable, and worth being that close. It's not a logical process, it's pure instinct. The problem, most guys don't speak this silent language. They think a tap on the shoulder means the same thing as a touch on the face. They think holding her hand carries the same emotional weight as her letting you run your fingers through her hair because they can't read the room. So many guys miss their shot without even knowing it. Today I'm giving you the full map zone by zone. I'm revealing what each part of her body is actually saying when she gives you the green light. And at the end, I'm going to show you that one specific spot that when she lets you touch it is telling you something her mouth isn't brave enough to say yet. But first, a quick warning. If you look at this as some kind of manipulation handbook, you've already lost before you even started. Touch just doesn't work that way. Let's get right into it. For us women, touch isn't just physical, it's chemical, neurological, and visceral. When a man touches us, our brains don't just register contact, they analyze your intention, your energy, and whether you're a threat or a safe harbor. All of this happens in milliseconds, totally below the surface of our conscious mind. A study out of DePaul University actually showed that people can identify emotions like love, compassion, and desire just through touch with about 60% accuracy. And guess who's better at it? Yep, women. Our nervous systems are hyper-tuned to pick up on the why behind every single gesture. So when you touch a woman, she's not just feeling your hand. She's feeling your intentions, your mood, your confidence, or your desperation. It's all transmitted right through the skin. Now here's the secret that changes the whole game. It's not just where you touch, it's how you touch. A woman can let one guy touch her arm and feel zero sparks, but let another guy touch that exact same spot and feel an electric jolt through her entire body. The difference, the masculine energy behind the move. Let's look at the map of surrender. Level 1, arms and shoulders. This is neutral ground. If she lets you touch her here, she's basically just saying, okay, you're not a threat. Don't mistake this for attraction yet. It's a baseline test. She's watching how you handle basic access before deciding if you've earned more. Level 2, hands and wrists. This is where the intimacy starts to heat up. Hands are tools for expression. When she lets you hold her hand, she's handing over a level of control. The wrist is even more vulnerable. Think about it. Thin skin, exposed pulse. If she doesn't pull back, she's showing you she trusts you. Level 3, the waist and lower back. This is territorial ground. We can't see who's touching us there, so it takes a deep instinctive trust to allow it. When she leans into your touch instead of pulling away, she's accepting your presence and your physical protection. Level 4, the neck and the face. Now you're on sacred ground. The neck is biologically vulnerable. Letting someone touch it is a sign of primal trust. The face, that's her identity. When she lets you touch her face, she's giving you access to who she really is. But there's a point even beyond that, a place where the psychological walls have completely crumbled, and it's not an obvious one. The ultimate zone of emotional surrender for a woman is her hair. To us, hair isn't just about looking good, it's our identity, our femininity, our emotional expression. We touch our own hair when we're nervous, when we're interested, when we're flirting, or just processing feelings. When a woman lets a man touch her hair, something deep happens in her subconscious. She's giving up control over something she normally only manages herself. She's literally handing over a symbol of her femininity. And the key isn't just that she lets you do it, it's her reaction. If she tilts her head, closes her eyes for a second, sigh, or smiles without even meaning to. That's not a conscious choice. That's her nervous system entering a state of total safety. That is chemical surrender, not a logical one. But listen closely. This touch only works if it's the natural result of trust you've already built. It can never be an invasion. Hair is so powerful because it only happens after you've proven you're safe, respectful, and genuine. The truth is simple. Physical contact isn't a tool for conquest. It's a silent conversation. When a woman responds positively, her body is telling you that you've already broken through the barriers that actually matter. If this opened your eyes, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'm going to reveal the signs a woman gives when she's sexually attracted to you, but trying to hide it. Signs she literally can't control.